Hello, I'm Aubrey Lubin. I'm Red Valve's Business Development Manager, and I've been with the company for 8 years. Red Valve invented pinch valves in 1953, and Rotork is one of the largest actuator manufacturers in the world. This is Red Valve's Series 5200E pinch valve with Rotork IQ3 Pro electric motor operator. Red Valve's pinch valves are reliable, maintenance-free, and cost-effective. They're engineered for media containing slurries, solids, abrasives, and corrosive chemical applications in a variety of industries. The 100% port design eliminates any dead spots or crevices where slurry can hang up and impair operation or even cause complete valve failure. There are never any seats, seals, bellows, or packing to replace because the sleeve is the only replacement part needed. The quality of any pinch valve is only as good as the quality of its sleeve. The sleeve is truly the heart of the pinch valve by providing corrosion and abrasion resistance and pressure containment. Each sleeve is designed with our unmatched elastomer technology and manufacturing expertise. We incorporate only the latest and best elastomer compounding and synthetic materials, resulting in the world's most durable and accurate pinch valve sleeves that outperform and outlast all the others. They're designed specifically for low maintenance and are constructed with bias ply fabric reinforced rubber, providing structural support. Our pinch valve sleeves are highly resistant to wear from abrasion. When abrasive particles strike the surface of the elastomer sleeve, the impact is absorbed and deflected back into the flow. The 100% port design of Red Valve's pinch valve sleeves is ideal for slurry and solids handling where an unobstructed flow path is essential. In modulating and throttling applications, our sleeves provide better control with less cavitation. Flow patterns are streamlined, eliminating turbulence and wear. Red Valve's controlled pinch valves offer maximum durability with precise control for clean and dirty media. Cone sleeves, originally patented by Red Valve, are designed for control applications. They provide tighter control with a high turndown ratio and an impressive recovery factor, along with an extra layer of thickness on the downstream side of the cone to increase its service life. A heavy-duty, rugged pinch mechanism positions the sleeve, resulting in accurate flow control. These valves are available in hydraulic cylinders, pneumatic cylinders, and electric motor operators. Red Valve is the trusted global leader in innovative elastomers, pinch valves, check valves, and engineered mixing systems. All of our valves are made in the USA, and our ISO certification represents a commitment to ongoing quality improvements and a dedication to higher levels of performance. We have a passion for innovation and creativity with a wealth of patents developed for customers' needs. The people of Red Valve embrace this passion every day, providing reliable solutions to customers' most challenging needs wherever and whenever they are needed most. Contact us for all of your valve applications and let us help you select the right valve for on-off or control of clean or dirty media.
My name's Andy Fallon. I've been with Rotork for 10 years now, and I'm the area sales manager for the Pacific Northwest. What we have here is our Rotork IQ3 intelligent, non-intrusive actuator. The Rotork IQ3 has been proven to be the most reliable actuator on the market today. And the non-intrusive side of this actuator means you can set everything up without having to open it up. What makes Rotork's different is we use absolute encoders within the actuator. We have oil bath lubrication and a piezo sensor that monitors the constant thrust of the actuator for protection of your valve. This version of our IQ3 is our Pro version of the actuator, which is a new part of our actuator that just came out this last year. Our IQ3 Pro offers many new features that increase the reliability and the usage of the actuator. With the IQ3 Pro, we've now added an additional Rotork app to use on your mobile device. The Rotork app is available on Android and iOS platforms. With the Rotork app, for those who are a little less familiar with setting up actuators, the Rotork app offers a wizard that allows you to easily set up the main functions of your actuator. It also acts as a virtual setting tool. On this pinch valve, we have a modulating version of our IQ3 actuator. The modulating versions are rated up to 1200 starts per hour, allowing you to do near constant modulation. It also has solid state starters that allow for more efficient open and closing and fast reacting inputs. One advancement that we've had with our IQ3 Pro is now we have integrated Ethernet available. It's available in Ethernet IP, Modbus TCP, or Profinet. The integrated Ethernet no longer uses gateways or any other media converters in order to talk to the actuator. What that allows us to do is eliminate one potential failure point in any control network. We also have embedded web pages that allow for remote monitoring, remote pulling of the data loggers, and also gives you the ability to set up using the web pages as well as using the interface on the actuator. One benefit of being able to use the mobile app or to use our embedded Ethernet in downloading the data loggers is using Rotork's Intelligent Asset Management System. The Intelligent Asset Management System allows you to get a health report of your actuator. It uses the information from the data log and compares it with thousands of actuators from around the world to come up with a health report for your actuator. That health report is color-coded for green, yellow, and red to be able to highlight things that may be potential issues in your system. On your next pinch valve, we hope you use the Rotork IQ3 actuator to better manage the control of your system.